What is the seed of your anxiety? If someone asks you, because anxiety can come from your childhood experience, from any traumatic experience, or any emotional disturbance for a long time, or the people you follow, or the people who influence your life also bring anxiety, which I believe. And if you want to come out from the anxiety, there is only one answer for that, and that is your willingness and your intention to come out, because I believe anxiety is a mindset, a fixed mindset. Fixed mindset is something where person believe in that thing so deeply, anything comes and asks for change, the person say, no, I will stick to that only because I believe in it. So that is a fixed mindset. Perhaps you are believing that you are not enough. Perhaps you are believing that you need always help. You have that strong belief, that mindset, and that brings anxiety. So anxiety is fixed mindset. Anxiety can be a filler for you. You are getting so much from your anxiety. That's why you stick to your anxiety, or your anxiety is sticking to you. Think that you don't have to work. Perhaps you are lazy and you don't want to do anything, so anxiety is serving you not to work, not to take a responsibility. Perhaps you play the role of victim. Perhaps you play the role of poor me, so you don't have to go and deal with the outside world. You safely sit inside the home. So this time you are using anxiety. So it is a filler. It is giving you something, and that is so much for you. Probably you are keeping that anxiety. Then sometimes anxiety brings excitement, and you say like, what? Yes, anxiety can bring the excitement, because understand, when you feel anxiety, you feel those symptoms, like very uncomfortable symptoms. And I say, if you ever tried the ride, that roller coaster ride or bungee jumping or some adventurous thing, the same kind of feeling you feel that time, but it is coming from excitement. And that excitement telling your brain that, wow, it is good. So your brain always wants some kind of newness in life, and when you don't give that, your brain crave for that. It is a sugar for your brain. Something fun, something is creative, something is excitement. That is something your brain is looking for, and if you are not giving, and you are living the life like a monotonous life, routine life, same old same, 24/7, all the year round. You don't go anywhere, don't travel, don't meet new people, don't find anything new in your life, don't cultivate any hobby. Of course, you feel bored, and that boredom speaks through your anxiety. So your brain feels some kind of excitement. Now you have to decide whether you want to create real excitement, happiness, and joy. Then your anxiety will leave you. And the last thing I want to say, that anxiety, when you feel, you want to fight it out I heard so many times that people say, oh, I really want to fight it out. You never win. I am telling, when you want to fight with your anxiety, probably you will lose, because more you suppress, more you fight, it will push you forcefully. So what you can do, it is like a spiral thing. When anxiety starts, it's like a spiral thing. So here you are inside that spiral thing, and you want to find out the where is the end. Is it possible? No, right? So wisdom is like, when you are going through the anxiety, take a position and go above and sit on the top and look below, as if you are observing whole scenario. Like you are going somewhere, let's say you are hiking, and on the top of mountain you are looking like all area. It looks nice because you are just watching. Start doing this. It is same like a meditation. You can tell as a meditation. What you do when next time when you are having that anxiety, you say like, something is interesting. Let me take a look from above. And all these physical symptoms and talking inside your mind is telling the stories, all those things, listen or watch or feel as a third person. And this is nothing but meditation, mindfulness. And more you do, you will cultivate distance from your anxiety, because anxiety really love to give you that feeling that you are one with the anxiety, or anxiety is you, but it is not. You are different. So if you want to create the happy life, you just have to let go that fixed mindset, that spiral anxiety you cannot control. Take a position from above as an observant. Don't make yourself to feel or to avoid something and accept anxiety. Then soon you realize your anxiety is going away from you, because you are giving more joy, more value to your life. Anxiety management, connecting you to your happy life. And if you still are not with our family, join today Anxiety Management by subscribing here. Share your view, your comment, and share with your friends. If you like, give me like.